Imagine, if you will, a quiet corner of a garden where a gentle breeze rustles through clusters of tiny, delicate flowers. The flowers range from vibrant yellows to soft pinks and whites. This is yarrow, a plant that whispers beauty into every landscape it graces. Growing yarrow from seed is a journey that begins with a handful of tiny promises. Each seed carries within it the potential to become a beautiful, thriving plant. And as we delve into the steps of growing yarrow, remember, it's not just about the end result. It's about the journey, the anticipation, the joy of nurturing life from a tiny seed. Our first step begins indoors around 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost of the season. Spread your yarrow seeds evenly over a tray filled with starting mix. The seeds should remain on the surface, basking in the light, not buried. Once your seeds are in place, press them firmly into the starting mix. This is their bed, their home for the next few weeks. Water the mix until it is moist but not drenched. Balance is key. Now, it's time to find the perfect spot for your tray. A warm, sunny window indoors should do the trick. Optionally, you can place a heating pad under the tray to speed up the germination process. In just 10 to 14 days, you'll see the first signs of life. The next step in this journey is to prepare your young yarrow plants for the great outdoors. This process, called hardening off, involves placing the tray outside during the day for a week before transplantation. The optimal time to transplant yarrow is mid-spring to early summer. This provides the plant with the perfect growing environment, allowing it to establish roots before the heat of summer arrives. Place yarrow in a sun-soaked spot with well-draining soil. Be gentle with the roots during transplantation to prevent damage. For happy and healthy yarrow, space it 30 to 60 centimeters apart. This will allow it ample room to grow and thrive. After transplanting yarrow, you should see new growth within a few weeks. Be patient and give it time. And so the journey of growing yarrow comes to an end. But the real joy is in seeing your garden transform into a canvas of natural elegance. So nurture your seeds and watch as they grow into a symphony of delicate blooms. It's a sight to behold, a testament to the power of nature and the joy of gardening. May your garden be filled with the whispers of yarrow's beauty. For unique seed packets, cards, and gifts for all occasions, please visit www.bloomingmemories.co.uk. Thanks for watching.